Want to start a side hustle, but feel stuck? With the right AI prompts, you can unlock profitable ideas faster than ever. First, log into ChatGPT and use all of these prompts in just one chat. For this example, let's imagine a broke student who wants to start a business in the pet industry. Check the video description for prompt templates and tailor them to your needs. Prompt 1. Find the perfect side hustle tailored to you. You can say, I am dealing with describer challenge. Can you suggest profitable side hustle opportunities in this specific industry/niche? Include potential earnings, skills needed, and startup costs. ChatGPT will save this information in memory and reference it in subsequent conversations. Don't forget to add your country in the prompt to limit the costs and estimated profits to your local currency. Now, pick an opportunity you're most interested in. Prompt 2. Validate your idea with real data before you invest. You can ask, I want to validate a side hustle idea in this specific market/niche. Give me a step-by-step guide for market research, metrics to track, and where to gather data. ChatGPT will feed you back with exactly where to find what you're looking for. Next, it's time to build your plan. Prompt 3. Draft a professional business plan in minutes. Just say, draft a complete business plan for my side hustle, brief idea. Include market analysis, competition review, and financial projections. ChatGPT will generate exactly what you need in seconds. Finally, let's focus on your online presence. Prompt 4. Build your brand online like a pro. You can ask, how can I set up a strong online presence for my niche? Create a guide for website launch, SEO setup, and community building. And voila, ChatGPT gives you tips to build your website, SEO keywords, and community building strategies. Don't just dream it, build it. Use these AI prompts and launch your side hustle today. Remember to add your country in the prompts to limit ChatGPT's output if your business niche is a local one.